let's talk about benefits of learning to program. It's never too early to learn to code. We live in a world where we use computer every day, so your computer skills will never be wasted. Learning to code can be a great way to boost your career and open doors to new opportunities. It can also help you become more creative and think more critically. With the right programming language, you can create software applications, websites, and even games. No matter what your age is, it's never too early or never too late to learn how to code. Python programming is one of the most popular languages out there and is used by many tech giants such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Learning this language will give you a solid foundation in coding fundamentals that you can use in any other language or development environment. Coding can provide many benefits, including increased job opportunities, improved problem-solving skills, and a greater understanding of technology. It also allows you to express yourself creatively through creating your own projects and apps. Learning how to code is an important skill for anyone looking to have a successful career in the digital age. Let me lay out 5 basic rules of coding. Rule 1. Coders must know what they want the computer to do and write a plan. Rule 2. Coders must use special words to have the computer take input and make choices and take action. Rule 3. Coders need to think about the what tasks can be put into a group. Rule 4. Coders need to use logic with and or not and other logic statements as keywords. Rule 5. Coders must explore the environment and understand how it works. Learning code gives you an edge over those who don't know how to code and will help you stand out from the crowd when applying for jobs or developing projects on your own.
So start learning from today.